I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Hello everyone, I'm ANGGA from SMK PGRI MALANG. I got an English assignment about report text. Report text text which present information about something as it is. It is a result of systematic observation and analysis. Social function report text. The function of report text is to describe the way things are with reference to a race or natural, man-made, and social phenomena in our environment. Generic structure. A. Classification. It is a general statement of the phenomenon being described. Usually, it consists of the definition of the phenomenon. Description. It provides important facts about the phenomenon being described. Okay, we go to the first discussion. I read the text first. Thunder lightning. Thunder lightning is a sudden, shocked, and very fast electric force between the cloud and ground or between clouds. The speed of thunder can be several miles long. It's so hot, with average temperature of 34,000 degrees centigrade. That the surrounding air suddenly expands with a loud explosion and sound. This is why sometimes we can hear thunder. The most dangerous type of cloud caused by lightning is called cumulonimbus. When the cloud rise high enough, the moisture freezes and creates crystal ice and snowflakes. It began to fall, losing the rain on the way down. This is more humid, rainy air, and it is the friction between those who generate static electricity. When the cloud is fully charged with electricity, it will burst as a flash of lightning. So lightning suddenly appears before the rain and the sounds are very loud. Next, I will talk about function and language feature. For the language feature, I took the example of the word that enter the language feature report text. First, language feature technical terms: electric force, cumulonimbus, static electricity. General nouns: thunder, lightning, cloud, fire, explosion, and rain. Specific detail: average temperature of Celsius, several miles long. Sequential organization. The text explains the process of lightning information step by step. Adjective: sudden, fast, dangerous, humid, and loud. Figurative language: hot, with average temperature of Celsius, sound like an explosion. Cause and effect structure is the explain how lightning is formed due to the interaction between rising moisture and static electricity. The report text aims to provide a descriptive account of thunder and lightning, create a vivid image of their characteristics and the effects this produce. The last is simple present. Example: the speed of thunder can be several miles long. Explanation: this sentence describes a general fact that is true in the present. Passive voice: Example, the surrounding air suddenly expands with a loud explosion and sound. Explanation, the sentence is writing in the passive voice as the subject. The surrounding air, it is not performing the action, but rather is having the action done to it. Expansion to thunder. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. See you.
I fucking with these hoes,